Hello, yes, this is a voice reveal this early into my channel, and I only have 10 subscribers, which thank you guys so much. Can't be more happier. But you get a preview of what me and the, other two are working on. Yes, I'm doing this by myself, since they don't want to help. But, that doesn't stop my spirits. That's what I have to say. Frick. Oh, I was gonna speak something. Please forgive me, guys. I have a terrible memory. But anyways, this is just, something new from the shorts I've been making lately. And, yay! If the audio on the video is, terrible, please don't blame me. I'm so sorry for that if it sounds terrible. I will be making an intro and outro soon. I just don't have any ideas for it. So please leave them in the comments. Is that all I have to say? I think so. But, have a nice day, y'all. Bye.